Inside OOH.
The 12th of August 2026. Pantera residence roars into Cairo's OOH landscape. Levels Development has created a stunning new out-of-home campaign designed to launch Pantera Residence, their latest real estate venture in October Gardens. The brand has taken a bold and minimalist approach by using the image of a Black Panther as a central theme to position the development as a location for people who value individualism over conformity. It is almost impossible to overlook the billboards following their previous OOH campaign, featuring a very close-up shot of the panther's piercing amber eyes set against a black background. The ad creates intrigue and power. Using minimalistic approach allows all elements of the ad to stand out without being overpowering and overwhelming the viewer. In the center of it all is the phrase in Arabic, "for those who choose to be different," which further positions the project as different from other luxury developments. Symbolism plays a big role in this campaign. The panther, a symbol of confidence, accuracy, and inner strength, is used as a representation of the type of individual that Levels Development would like to attract. Supporting it is the tagline "Power in Silence," implying that exclusiveness doesn't have to make noise. In terms of visuals, the campaign is distinguished by the skillful use of negative space. The giant cat portrait is located on the billboard not in its entirety but occupies just a part of it, leaving vast spaces intentionally empty. Subtle circular strokes behind the text and the premium-looking gold typography create an interesting combination and make a nice contrast to the black background. Media placement takes the consistency of the visual solution and applies it on multiple billboards placed throughout the major streets of Cairo. The use of the same hero visual at different spots instead of several versions of the execution helps to build the connection and makes the very panther symbolize Pantera residence. This campaign shows a general trend of change in the advertising of Egyptian real estate market. As the number of renders, master plans, and feature-oriented campaigns increases, more and more developers tend to invest in emotional branding. Pantera residence follows the trend, giving priority to symbolic meaning and brand identity over everything else. With a bold visual approach, few words, and an iconographic mark at its center, the Pantera residence branding from Levels Development makes a housing launch all about brand development, making people think not just where they would like to live, but what identity that location will give them. Check out Monitoring Out of Home, MOO, a specialist media intelligence agency and analysis system active in Cairo and UAE, to learn more about OOH campaigns.